Hi there, my name is Kyla Plaxton. I'm with Acupressure Academy, and I have helped thousands and thousands of people relieve various pain symptoms using acupressure. So today I'm going to show you how you can use acupressure to help relieve neck pain. And what I would love to do is play a game with you that I'm going to do every single week. And it's basically, my goal is to help you relieve your pain, whatever we're working on, by a minimum of 50%. So if you don't mind, just take a second. If you're dealing with neck pain, please write in the comment below, out of 100, if 100 is so painful, can't stand it, and 0 is don't feel it at all, what is your pain level currently? And then we'll do it again at the end of this quick acupressure tutorial. Okay, so just take a second there and write that in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, can you please subscribe to the channel and help me get this into more people's hands and into their homes so that I can help people just like you. Oh, now what we're gonna do is dive right into these acupressure points. So first what we're gonna do, it's called Gallbladder 21. This one in particular, I just want to put a little warning in that if you're pregnant or the person you're working on is pregnant, especially full term or newly pregnant, that you don't want to press this point. And I know they're gonna want it. She's gonna want it because that energy holds the baby up and it can get so tight. But if we press it down, it can cause a miscarriage or early labor. So Gallbladder 21 is right at the tabletop of the shoulders, and you can go 3 fingers out from the base of the neck, and you're gonna find it on the 3rd finger there, and you can just push down. I'll usually kind of come up like this. We can do both sides, and then take 3 nice, long, slow, deep breaths. One nice deep breath. Let's do another one. And you want to press enough that you can feel the pressure on the spot. It should feel like a big, rolly, tight knot here, and you're pressing directly down toward the floor or your bum. I know before people are like, just show me the points, I can breathe on my own, but you know, a lot of what helps acupressure work is the practice of it. So doing it together here is a form of like, you're actually practicing acupressure right now as we speak together. You can reference your PDF that I've made for you and do these again and again and practice on yourself, and you can practice on your loved ones, and you can practice on each other, okay? Okay, the next one is Gallbladder 20, and that one is right up in the base of the skull or the top of the neck between the ear and the center dip right in the back of the skull here, which I'm not sure if you can quite see, but again, you can get that in your PDF. And then, so you go from the center and then over, you're gonna feel another dip here. And you're gonna push toward the opposite eye here. Okay, so press right into that dip. Take a nice deep breath. You can feel that juicy point here. This pressure point can get so busy. Lots of activity, if there's lots of activity in the mind. Just let that go, let that flow. You're awakening the energetic body, allowing it to move. And that 3rd breath here. Amazing. One little tip I can give you is that if you are working on somebody else, you can hold this one and Gallbladder 21 and Gallbladder 20 at the same time together. Like if they're laying on their back and you have one hand on the shoulder and one hand on the base of the neck, that's an option too, okay? But bilateral, meaning on both sides at both points, you can do that also. I just want to do a quick check-in and see how it's going for you. If you're finding them, this is a quick tutorial. but how they feel. If you're noticing that it's working so far, if it's not working for you and you have some questions, please let me know in the comment below and I will respond. While these are being pre-recorded and uploaded, it's hard for me to respond in real time, but I will check in and get back to you. The other option is I go on every Thursday at noon inside of the Acupressure Academy community in a Facebook group. The link is in the description below. They're called Energetic Awakenings, and there I can support you in moving deeper into that pressure point, helping you find precise location, giving you some breathing, also the psychosomatic aspects of the pressure point. Maybe there's some other emotional holdings that's going on here that's having it kind of be all bunged up. Okay, we have one more point for you here today, and that one is in the center base of skull. So it's a center point, and we used it as a reference point to find gallbladder 20. But so if you go just straight up the spine, like the bone spine here, all the way to the top, you're gonna feel an indent, just like gallbladder 20, and then it goes straight, right? So you push up into the indent gently, though. This is a center point and they're highly activated. You don't need to press hard to activate these areas. Actually, excuse me. Actually, these center points do better if you don't press too hard, okay? Whereas this one especially feels nicer if you press real hard. Even this one, medium hardness or pressure. This one really light, okay? So you can just hold that. And 3 nice deep breaths. I hope you can take that nice deep breath. Hope you can feel that stillness. These center points really help integrate stuff going into the body, and that connects us to the outside realms of our energetic field and also the universal field. So we tap into that abundant energetic flow to help us move that energy and smooth it out. Okay, well, if you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, you can hit the dislike button. And I'd love it if you help support more videos coming out. They come out every Tuesday. Next week, we're going to do a pain relief exercise that I call the clock stretch. So it's not acupressure points actually, but it's something that I use personally in Qigong to help me relieve the neck pain. So we have a full package here of different ones, and they're all around the neck and the shoulder pain, and the next week's is the clock stretch. If you know someone who is suffering from a neck headache, please share this video and let's see if we can help them to give them that gift of preventative medicine to help them live a better life and be in vitality together, okay? So let's put this video to the test, and if you can write in the comment below what your current percentage is, if your pain, your neck headache has gone down, I would love to hear about it. So you put your percentage at the beginning, now put it in again. Let's see what that is, and let's see if we can make my goal, okay? I kind of have high hopes here, so I'm a bit of an overachiever. If it wasn't 50%, doesn't mean it's not working. Hopefully it went down even just a little bit. And again, the key is gonna be in that consistency and that practice. So I recommend doing these neck points, and you can add the other videos around neck and shoulder stuff. That's all gonna help. Do a little routine for yourself right before bed, or help your loved one first thing in the morning, or whatever, however that works for you. And you can get a bit of still time. You can take 5 or 10 minutes and just go through it, okay? Make sure you take those nice deep breaths though. So if you like these acupressure points and you want to dive deeper, you can join me in the Acupressure Academy Facebook group, where I do the Energetic Awakenings Q&A every weekday, Thursday at noon. And make sure you download that PDF made just especially for you, so you can have a visual of these pressure points. You can print them off, practice them, and help yourself today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. 'Cause the morning sun is stretching every smile.